I think it's safe to say that JoJo Siwa has lost her freaking marbles ever since her rebrand from Claire's
Some JoJo Bobos from Claire's
to Hot Topic.
I was a bad girl.
It seems like she's making headlines every week for all the wrong reasons. Her cringe or just flat out bizarre behavior has me puzzled, and we need to talk about it because I too have been personally victimized by JoJo Siwa. I think we all get it by now. The old JoJo Siwa's gone and the new version, well, it's giving me nightmares.
Good morning, every single student who's up to this terrible video. That's what they guys good. I am so done here.
But I'm not really here to talk about that. There have been plenty of videos already made talking about the many controversies that she has been in, whether it's her terrible music,
I was a bad girl. I did some bad.
or the sus friendship with Colleen Ballinger, aka Miranda Sings, after being exposed for grooming minors.
You friends with Colleen Ballinger still?
Yeah,
What do you say about
I've known Colleen since I was 12.
Or faking a pregnancy for views.
Over the past few weeks, she's been posting a few photos of her pretending to be pregnant. Like, there's a photo of her saying new baby haul and her showing off her fake baby bump. And there's also another photo of her at a Walmart buying diapers.
Or even the weird drunk at Disney stuff.
I'm JoJo and I forgot to do it, but this is my 15th drink, baby.
There are just too many rabbit holes we can go down when we're talking about JoJo, but I just want to focus on two topics. I want to talk about the performance that she was doing recently, where she was touching herself very inappropriately on stage in front of children. And my personal beef with her brand that takes us back to the good old days where she sold some makeup kits laced with asbestos. To give you the bigger picture, we need to rewind a bit to when JoJo Siwa was every little girl's favorite character on YouTube.
Everyone is JoJo. Welcome back to JoJo's every single one that is guys gonna stop it.
From the JoJo Bows
Hey Studenters, it's Nickelodeon's JoJo Siwa here. Check out the new JoJo Bow makeup.
to the high tops shoes.
Just gonna lace them up. My high top shoes.
JoJo Siwa was a child icon. It seemed like you could just not avoid her face. It was just everywhere, at every store.
Display of my stuff. It's literally
Watch JoJo merch. We got sleeping stuff, we got bedding, we got bows, we got blankets, we got towels.
And I too was raising a young 4-year-old daughter who, dare I say it, at that time was obsessed with JoJo Siwa. I mean, she wanted every bow. She had all the shoes, all the clothing, all the fun, cute accessories. And anytime Christmas or her birthday would come around, she would beg and beg for more JoJo Siwa merch. And so one year, she came up to me and said, "Mother, I really, really, really want the new JoJo Siwa palette
For my birthday.
And I got it for her. She was so excited and thrilled to try it out that she even made a little YouTube tutorial on it.
As you can see, I love JoJo Siwa as my favorite character. And I love watching her videos on YouTube. I always get my mom to buy all of the JoJo Siwa stuff. You can see I'm wearing her shirt, her bow, her bracelet. This is the JoJo Siwa makeup that I got. Right there. This is the eyeshadow palette. I got some nice colors and I'm gonna open it. Look at that girdly one, I like that one. It comes with the mirror. I can do my makeup while looking in the mirror. Do you guys see the sparkles in the lip gloss? Let me know in the comments. This is water-based nail polish and kids can use it. I'm gonna do some more eyeshadow because I missed some more spots. I'm putting down my lower lashes because this is what JoJo Siwa do. I'm also going to use the color to highlight with this brush. My highlight is popping. This is the final JoJo Siwa makeup look. What do you think?
It was the cutest thing and so wholesome. I opened up social media one day to all these different news outlets reporting on the new JoJo Siwa makeup palette being laced with asbestos.
Whose latest batch of her makeup set, which is available at Claire's, is now being recalled by the FBI.
FDA, who tweeted that they have released new results from its continued testing of cosmetic products for asbestos, and now they are warning customers to not use 2 additional products. This one is quite frightening, especially because I think of all the little girls out there who shop at Claire's.
If you don't know what asbestos is, it's a substance that is highly toxic and can cause severe health issues like cancer. So they were urging everyone who had purchased the makeup palette to discard it because it's laced with dangerous chemicals. But the damage was already done. My daughter had already used it multiple times. The guilt that I felt as a mother was unbearable. And how was I going to explain this to my daughter? How was I going to tell her that she has to throw away her beloved makeup palette that she just got as a gift? I had to sit her down and have this tough conversation. I explained the situation to the best of my ability, but her first reaction was,
Let's burn it already! We burned it already! I want to burn it!
And so that's what we did. We brought the palette to our cabin far out in the woods. We burned it and then buried it.
This is very serious, and there's bears out here in my life!
Experience left a bad taste in our mouth, and don't get me wrong, I get it. I know it's not JoJo Siwa walking around in the lab sprinkling asbestos in her makeup palettes, but it's still her brand. It's her face on it, and most importantly, she never came out to give an apology. She completely ignored it, tried to scrub it under the rug. I would have loved some sort of compensation to the ones who did purchase her makeup palette, considering that you're selling these makeup palettes to small children under 10 and you're putting their health at risk. I felt so bad as a mom for buying that for her, but of course, how was I gonna know? How was any parent supposed to know? Anyways, I'm done with that topic. JoJo lost a fan that day. My daughter just had no interest ever watching her again, and we've kind of avoided her content over the years. But recently, these lovely videos kept stumbling up on my feed. And at first I was like, okay, this is a Pride Parade type concert, so I'm sure it's adult only. But then I saw some other angles of this performance, and there were clearly plenty of children in the crowd. At first she just chugs a huge bottle of vodka. I'm not sure what she's trying to really signal there. I mean, alcoholism is on the rise, but you do you, girly. That's definitely what we want to promote to the children of your audience. The fact that she even played Boomerang on stage was kind of odd to me, because that is one of her most popular child songs.
This was a new comment for me. It wasn't about the dance that I do. It wasn't about my hairline. It wasn't that I'm a 5'9" giant toddler.
Apparently she got really offended about somebody calling her this.
It said, this man needs to be stopped. They said that to me. The straight guy told me that I need to be stopped. This man needs to be stopped. Number one, my is bigger than his. And number two, I more girls than him.
Good to know. And then as she's performing, I'm assuming one of her new songs. How do I put it? You'll just have to experience the cringe fest for yourself.
Last night I had a dream, or was it heavenly?
Yeah, I'm just speechless and would rather not even comment. It's so raunchy, inappropriate. It's giving you're trying too hard. I think it's pretty clear that she's not for a child audience any longer. I know everyone keeps saying that her rebrand is such a flop and it's just bizarre. And I do agree, it's very bizarre. But I don't think it's a flop, because ever since her rebrand, people have not stopped talking about her. Look, she even got me talking about her.
Like it or not, what's been in your head the last 3 days?
I was a bad girl. I did some bad things.
As she continues to lose her marbles, I may continue to cover some of her most off-the-rails behavior, so stay tuned. I'm really digging this new commentary style content, and that's what I'm going to continue to give you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sitting through another one of my videos. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!